Alright. Alright.
There you go. You're doing really well. You didn't need Daddy's help. That's a good job.
Daddy climbed me a rope.
Well, Daddy came up the ladder.
Daddy climbed me a rope. Daddy climbed me a rope.
Well, Daddy will climb the rope next time, okay?
Until I down the slide.
You want to go down the slide?
Daddy get a hand.
You want Daddy to give you a hand?
Mommy get a hand.
Oh, you're going to help Daddy up?
Yes.
Okay, just a second then, okay? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Daddy, I'm gonna put the slide. Here. There, Daddy. Oh. Daddy, until I put the slide.
There you go.
Daddy,
Yeah.
until I put the slide.
Okay, Daddy will come down the slide, okay?
Oh, no, we gotta get fall.
Robert's going to crawl up the slide?
Yeah. Oh, no.
Is it too slippery?
Yes, get ahead.
Oh, I can't reach you. Why don't you crawl up?
Okay.
Do you want to crawl up over here?
Oh. Yes. Look. Baby, look. Oh.
Wow, doing good. You're doing well.
Oh, no, I freaking never ever. Get that.
Here you come. Good job.
Yeah, they'll put the slide.
Are you going to put that down the slide?
Yes.
Wow. You going to go down after it now?
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
There you go. Whoa. You okay?